flaxseed has taken very important responsibilities for human health since ancient times. This seed, which provides incredible benefits to our body with its rich compounds, prevents the formation of many metabolic diseases. What are the benefits of flaxseed consumption? When and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free. Before moving on to the benefits, we are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of consuming 1 tablespoon of flaxseed a day? This seed contains healthy fats such as omega-3, which protects heart health. It is a very good source, especially for alpha-linolenic acid. These fatty acids help to reduce bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol levels in the body. On the other hand, this seed is a good source of insoluble fiber, which is insoluble in water and remains in the digestive tract. After consumption, insoluble fiber absorbs excess water in the gut, helping to improve digestion. 2 tablespoons of flaxseed contain about 13 grams of dietary fiber. This ratio supports the development of beneficial probiotic bacteria in the intestine because it contains pulp and polysaccharide. It reveals digestion by protecting the intestinal flora. Also, flaxseed is rich in unsaturated fatty acids, which balance the amount of sugar in your blood and controls how it is used by the body. In people who have sugar imbalancing glucose particles from unsuitable bonds with protein substance in the body and make them unsuitable and of poor quality. The name of this process is glycation. It prevents the formation of glycation with omega-3 and other healthy fatty acids in flaxseed. Flaxseed for healthier muscle and bone tissue. The high amount of iron and calcium in it works to alleviate joint pain, especially to reduce the risk of arthritis. The potassium and magnesium in it also creates muscle contractions and give the muscles a rest when they are used. In addition, it allows the iron to be absorbed more easily in the body, this increasing the amount of hemoglobin in the blood. This helps the oxygen to be transported in a much higher quality way. In addition, the fatty acids it contains are also very effective against hair loss and breakage. So, are there any harmful effects of flaxseed? This nutrient, which has very important effects on our gut and stomach health, can cause short-term problems, including the stomach and digestive system, if it is consumed too much in a short period of time due to its plump and spongy internal structure. So, how much flaxseed should be consumed? Experts state that consuming a spoon a day, 3 to 4 days a week, provides incredible benefit to our body. In the light of this information, you can add flaxseed to your nutrient program and benefits from its benefits in the long run. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Stay well, stay informed.